This is the Dudios M3, another bright new release from Dudios in the earbuds lineup, and these can be potentially very good AirPods Pro alternative. And today, let's check it out. The form factor of the box is pretty small as usual. We have the picture of the product in the front, True Wireless Earbuds V5.0, assuming that's Bluetooth 5.0. On the back of the box we have few specs, and that's pretty much all. As we slide open the box, we have a top foam piece as a protective padding, and we can see the earbuds and the charging case in the middle. Under this cutout, we have a few more accessories. Here's a bag of ear tips in different sizes, a micro USB-C charging cable, the warranty card, and the user's manual all the way on the bottom. Let's have a closer look at the earbuds. The build of the charging case is very substantial. The plastic is very thick, and the hinges of the lid is very strong. In my opinion, very solid build. You have 4 LED indicators on the charging case, indicates your battery levels, 1 USB-C charging port on the bottom. These earbuds feel very ergonomic. The touch control surface is your Dudios logo. On the bottom you have some conductive charging points, and the silicone ear tips are interchangeable. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Dudios M3. Like I mentioned earlier, the design is very ergonomic. These earbuds are super comfortable to wear. These silicone ear tips seal very nicely and secure. Just make sure to find the right size for your ears. These default ear tips out of the box were one size smaller than my ear canals, so just make sure you try them all and find the best pair for you. There is no cheesy looking LED status lights on these earbuds body. It's a subtle detail, but this doesn't make these earbuds looking cheap. I've seen some TWS earbuds shine so bright in the dark. It can be pretty weird and distracting in some ways, but with the M3, there's nothing to worry about. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable connection. These earbuds have good signal strength even if your device is a bit away from the earbuds. Audio latency is unnoticeable. Definitely no problem using these for both audio and videos. The touch control is a fancy feature, and the way they're programmed make these very intuitive to use, and accidental touches are almost impossible. For instance, volume control is a single touch, so even if you take the earbuds on and off and touch the control area by accident, your music won't pause or skip. The sound signature was never disappointing from Dudios. With these 10mm drivers, the factory tuning is outstanding, bass response is present and punchy. The rest of the frequency responses are consistent and balanced. The M3 is in line with all other Dudios products, nothing to complain as usual. These are some of the most cost-effective earbuds you can find on Amazon. With a whopping $25 price tag or below, you get USB-C fast charging, 10mm large drivers, Bluetooth 5.0, and modern design. The M3 is worth every penny in my opinion. For one thing, sure, it doesn't have the active noise cancelling feature like the Apple AirPods Pro, but at this price range, that's not something I'd expect anyways. These are in-ear style earphones, and the silicone tips does a pretty decent job on blocking noise passively. Overall, the M3 is very decent and nicely priced. There's not much to complain, and I have no problem recommending these. They function as advertised, have decent battery life, the sound is very decent, and they just don't break the bank. For more information of the Dudios M3, click the link in the description box down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.